So this is a pound yen analysis for Thursday the 12th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices break above 47.35, had this move up towards this 148 where we said we might have encountered some resistance. We had a brief pullback in around at 148, after which we did see a break of 148, move up towards this 148.46, and from which we have seen the current test of the 148.61 at present. So if we are to see this continuation to the upside here on the pound against the yen, we are now looking for prices potentially head up towards, if we do successfully break and hold above 48.61, is a move up towards our 49.10, and if we can see the momentum fall through to the upside 149.78 before looking at that 150 here on the pound against the yen. We'll anticipate prices moving beyond 150 here today, July 12th, on the pound against the yen. So we'll anticipate prices moving much beyond the 150. However, we do see a bit of a breakdown, a bit of a pullback from where we are at present. Looking to see whether 148.46 holds. If not, we're looking for price to go head towards the 148 area. Previously we had a bit of a pullback, and if we aren't able to find support there, we're looking for the far end of the range to be in around at 147.35 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on the daily chart of the pound against the yen, we can see we've got a pretty strong bullish price action at present. So we have our lows. We probably made a slightly higher low before making a slightly lower low, from which we had this large engulfing candle, formed a bit of a bull flag, had a break of the 400 period moving average on that 146.38. From which we've seen a pretty strong move to the upside. We did have this rather large doji, 400 period moving average, and found support there. But from there, we've had this bullish price action taking us above this 148 and area periods. They found resistance, forcing sell side momentum to come into the market. Currently, we're trading around at 148.61. So from a daily chart perspective, the very next major level of note is, of course, this 149.78, with the added confluence of a 200 period moving average sitting pretty close by, from which we could see sell side momentum return to the market. If we are able to navigate that 149.78, of course, the very next level of note is in around at 150.56 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.